Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have the Cardstock Add-on, we have a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. These are perfect to have your kits go even further. You can add on 1, 2, or all 3. Also, check out the Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with the Flavors of the Month, so it's a perfect add-on as well. So we're going to start with the Cardstock add-on, and you're going to receive 3 additional cardstock sheets for each one of the 4 collections. So you can tell these coordinate perfectly. You can also tell kind of the colors that you're going to work with in your entire kit and see how some of them cross over really well. So then you can mix and match all the collections. First, the cardstock that coordinates with the late afternoon collection is 1 sheet of Tangelo and 2 sheets of mustard. And then for the Hello Autumn, you're going to get 1 sheet of aqua and 2 sheets of cranberry. For the Avenue collection, you're going to get a sheet of spinach and 2 sheets of blueberry. And then for the New Normal from Photoplay, you'll get 1 sheet of marine and 2 sheets of tangerine. So those are perfect for your backgrounds, your digital die cuts, matting your photos. So many options with your cardstock. Our next add-on is the patterned paper. This is one of my favorites. So you're going to get 2 sheets of patterned paper for each one of the 4 collections. These won't be any duplicates, repeats. There are 2 additional patterned papers in the collection. So for late afternoon, you're going to receive this paper here. This is Afternoon Outing. It has all of the cameras in the different sizes. So you could use this as a background, fussy cut it for some embellishments. The back is a yellow brush stroke. This is another one that's perfect for either backgrounds or layering up in your designs. Floral Lane from Late Afternoon has these beautiful floral vines on that blue background. And the back is a diagonal stitch design on the dark blue. Both of those have the full branding strips of the design that's on the opposite side. From Cartabella, Hello Autumn, we have the cut apart here for the 3x4s. So this is perfect for tucking in. You can use these for your titles, add your embellishing on, or add your journaling onto them. Fussy cut some of them for embellishments. Lots of ways you can use the 3x4 cut aparts. The back side is this beautiful leaf that's done in the rainbow transition. This one is called the 3x4 journaling cards. Love that paper. Your other one is this one with the pumpkins done in the watercolor on the cream background. And the back is this X design on the orange. This paper is called Pumpkins. Then from the Avenue, from Pebbles and Jen Hatfield, this paper called Fifth Avenue are the cut apart tags. So you can use these in a row. You can cut them apart, tuck them in as with your layers and embellishments. I love to use them on the fronts of cards. They make really quick cards. You have enough on here to do a little bit of all of those ideas. The back is a gray wood grain. This one called Acorn Avenue is all of the acorns on this light blue, greenish blue background. I think these are so cute done in the 2-toned colors. And the back is a blue plaid. Those have full branding strips as well. Then our last collection is the New Normal. So the 2 papers from there is this one called 6 Feet Apart, which is all of these little badges, all having to do with 6 feet apart. So you could use these for embellishments. Take a circle punch, cut them out, fussy cut them. The back is that red with the little potty people and the arrow in between, signifying the 6 feet apart. This one called T-shirts has all of the T-shirts with these little icons and the words, the phrases that we've come to know so well. The 6 feet, stay positive, stay home club, COVID fashion, which has all of the masks. So these could be fussy cut for embellishments. You could also take a circle punch and just punch some of the phrases and the sayings for a different look of embellishments. That would be a lot of fun. You could cut a whole roll of these for just layering on your page like a border. And the back are all of these great little word phrases done on the blacks. So this is perfect too, to fussy cut each one of these for little word labels. Take a whole row of them for a border strip. Lots of ways you can use that paper. So you're going to have a lot of fun with those. So one more look at all of the extra pattern papers available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Over. So you're going to have a lot of fun with those. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. And this time it's awesome. So you're going to get these thickers here. These are foam and cardstock thickers. I love these. They're that brush script in the green. That will go with several of the collections. From Cardabella, you're going to get the Chipboard Accents. And I want to point out, Cardabella is now having their chipboard and stuff made in the USA, so there's no longer a sticker backing. So you won't have the sticker, which I know many of us take that sticker off and apply our own adhesive. So I think that's no big deal, especially to have that made in the USA now. So don't think that's defective when you get it. That's the way they're going to come now from Cardabella. So these are the Chipboard Accents for Hello Autumn. Lots of fun icons for fall. That little skinny squirrel that needs some more acorns. This banner here, fruit basket, that farm truck. Give thanks in all things. Then you're going to get some gold puffy phrases. So these will vary, but this is the side that I got. So lots of great phrases to use for my titles. And then for the photo play paper, you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these punch out. There's some little tags and circles. So these will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. You'll get lots of things similar to this. Just lots more of those COVID phrases and icons. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Remember, check out that Shots of Life to coordinate as well, to add it on and make it go even further. Check out the Facebook group, join in on some challenges with the design team, and check out all the other items available in the store. We have some special things coming up, so you want to get in on those. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.